In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about how to unban your Telegram account so that you gain complete access and you could use the application again. Just like WhatsApp, Telegram is also a fantastic application through which you could, chat with friends and family members and stuff like that. If you have a business, you could also contact your customers through Telegram, right? But these days, it has become a trend for, I think, these applications to just ban your account. I mean, to be very honest with you, since January of 2025 till now, at least WhatsApp has banned almost 10 million accounts in India alone. So you could well imagine the amount of accounts that WhatsApp has banned all over the world. But Telegram is not that stringent as compared to WhatsApp. But unfortunately, since it is an application that has to, kind of have a business entity in almost every country wherever it is operational, they have to follow rules and regulations. So if people are trying to scam or trying to spam others through the application, these guys are definitely going to go ahead and block your account. Now, what happens is that if you are not following their terms and conditions, your account gets blocked and then you have a problem. Because once your account is blocked by Telegram, it is very difficult for you to get your account unblocked. Unlike WhatsApp. I mean, I'll be very honest with you. With WhatsApp, it's like these guys are at least going to unban your account for 24 hours or 48 hours and then again ban it. But with Telegram, once your account is banned, you are not going to be able to even, verify your account again. It's kind of different. It's very difficult. Okay, my account was banned on another number for unfortunate reasons. I did not do anything wrong. Till today, I was not able to unban it. But at least my WhatsApp account, I think 1 or 2 years back, it was banned because I, sent invitation cards for my baby girl's birthday, like 40 or 42 cards or something, like e-cards, right? WhatsApp banned my account. I appealed, they unbanned it. But with Telegram, I don't know why they banned my account and it is banned till date. So it's kind of difficult with Telegram. So after you're banned by Telegram, what you could do is you click on the application. You're going to be directed to a screen on which you get a pop-up. Now on the pop-up, if you see a link, click on that link. If you see the help button, click on the help button, and then you could contact support directly. Tell them that, you didn't do anything wrong. If you are clean, if you did not do anything wrong, actually, give them all your reasons to unban your Telegram account. As an alternative, what you could do is also get onto their website and get in touch with them directly. So you could get onto telegram.org/support and get onto this page directly and put in your message out here. So you could just type in my account was banned for whatever reason. Okay, in place of this, you could just put your reason. I'm sure they have told you why your account was banned. Okay, please could you review my account and help me unban it because I use it in accordance to your terms and conditions. Awaiting your response. Put in your legal name, your email address, your phone number, solve the captcha if you have to, and then click on submit. Okay, once it is submitted, you need to wait for like 2 to 3 days for these guys to respond. Sometimes they respond earlier, but depending on the amount of requests that these guys get, they're going to respond to you accordingly. So I would suggest, if you really value your Telegram account, wait for some time. Obviously, my account that was banned by Telegram, I didn't need it. Okay, so I didn't need to put in a request. All right, but you could do these things. Okay, just give it a try. Don't give up and say like, hey, my Telegram account is gone. I'm not going to get it back. Let's forget it. Give it a try. Take care, my friend.